Okay, we're going to unbox the Leviton 24-hour timer. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. Comes with different color faceplates that you can switch out, and a whole bunch of wires. Okay, well let's go install this. We had our electrician install the timer into this wall plate. Now we're going to go over the process of setting it up to turn the lights on and off at a specific time. I'm going to come up to it and lift this magic door up. Okay, the first thing you want to do when you're setting this up is to clear out the memory of everything that's in here, because we don't know what it's set up like. So to do that, you're going to press this button and the set button at the same time. When you press that, it'll say delete and it'll flash. Then it'll stop flashing. Keep waiting. When it flashes up the word reset, let go of both buttons and press the set key. That'll turn off the lights that are connected to it, and it'll go through a little process and clear out the memory and make sure everything's fresh. The first thing it's going to do is pop up the clock. So you want to set the clock, and we're going to go ahead and set it at 2:54 p.m. and I hit set. It is 2021 and today is August the 2nd. So now we have the clock set on here. I'm going to go ahead and turn those lights back on. Now say you want to put in a program. To do that, you're going to just press the menu key and it's going to say program right here. Choose set. We're going to set our first event, and that's the only event we're going to do, and choose to have it go, and it flashes all the days of the week, Monday through Saturday, through Sunday actually. So if you choose the buttons here, you can choose to just do Monday through Friday, which is what we're going to do. You can use these buttons to toggle up and down. So now we've got the first time for the first event. We're going to go ahead and set that. We want the lights to come on at, let's say, 7:30. There we go. And we want to have them turn off. And let's give people a little more time. Let's go to 6:30. Choose that time. Okay, that's everything you need for the first event. You can either not touch anything, or you can press this button here to clear out of it. And it's set. It's that easy. So now the lights are going to turn on at 7:30 and off at 6:30, Monday through Friday. And close the door. This timer has lots of other features, but hopefully this video helped you get up and running. For more helpful videos, please like and subscribe.